In India today, 4% of all children, that's 8 million children, never start school. 57%, that's 74 million, don't complete primary school. And 90%, 172 million children, don't complete school. This is the education crisis facing our country. A crisis that prompted us at the Embassy Group to make education the cornerstone on which we base our CSR activities.
It's our belief at Embassy that till we don't educate our rural population, this country is not going to reach where all of us wanted to reach. So at Embassy, we've decided that we are going to develop some of the government schools which are in areas close by to Bangalore. We've already started one initiative in Taranse village, which has been adopted by Stonehill. Stonehill is an IB school which we run. Primarily, the reason of putting up the school was to use some of its resources for rural education. Our dream is basically to do at least 30 of these schools. This is our one way of giving back to society in terms of what we've received from society all these years.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದಂಥ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೀತು ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಟ್ಟಡವನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಊಟದ ಮನೆ, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಕೊಠಡಿಗಳು, ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟು ಅಂತ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂಥ ಕಟ್ಟಡವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
They have provided us with sports equipments like TT and cricket, football, volleyball, and they've also given us library books. Our kids are very happy to attend the school.
ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲು.
ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿವಸ ಸ್ಟೋನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Stonehill being an international school would bring in a lot of synergy to the government school. Also a little bit of mingling between the kids from the international school and the government school, which helps kids develop in both the areas.
While enriching the lives of children in schools, Embassy has also taken steps to promote higher education.
Embassy Group has partnered with the Parikrama Foundation to provide land for a junior college. We believe that this will transform lives and will go a long way in helping children from the underprivileged part of our society to get a better chance in life.
While aiding and promoting these initiatives, Embassy also focuses on non-formal, more holistic learning. Its riding school in North Bangalore is a prime example. It caters to all children, even those from the more disadvantaged sectors of society.
Some of our groom's children who are there, we've been training them for the last few years. The biggest achievement for us has been that some of these kids have done fairly well at the national level, and also a couple of kids have done well at the FEI, which is an international event.
We found that our experience in the last year has been extremely rewarding. We've seen change. To reach out to more schools, Embassy felt the need to partner with Colours of Life, an NGO who is passionate about rural education, and we are grateful for their support and guidance.
Our vision is to give children the freedom and opportunity to realize their full potential. Like all our initiatives in our core business of property development, we approach this too with commitment. After all, while we are building some of India's largest business parks and Bangalore's most indulgent residences, we are also building lives, being the change we want to see.